In this video, I'm going to show you a special members video. I had a member ask me a question about how to use the in-the-money covered call calculator using the 99 Delta call option stock ownership alternative / replacement strategy that I'm coining as the 99 Delta call option trade. It's an in-the-money covered call. We're using a 99 Delta call option versus buying the shares. And what I'm here to tell you is this. We can use less upfront capital to generate the same near-term covered call premium. Now, in this member's question, we had a member that asked the question, John, you're doing a lot of these 99 Delta call option in-the-money covered call trades. And I'm trying to use the calculator to determine what 99 Delta I purchase and then what in-the-money covered call I need to sell. Of course, I'm going to do a video. And that's exactly what you're about to see. Stick around. This video is not only talking about the in-the-money calculator, it actually shows you the entire setup of my recent nail in-the-money covered call using a 99 Delta call option. That complete setup is coming next. Now, before we get there, let's talk about how frequently I've used this. Since May 7th, I hope you can see this on screen. Since May 7th, this was the very first time I used a 99 Delta call option for a deep in the money covered call trade. I'm calling this my cash secure put alternative trade. See, this trade would have been a cash secure put using the same strike. And right here, DPST is trading for 117, and I did the 110 strike. That would have been a cash secure put. I'd have done that every day of the week, giving myself downside protection. But instead, we bought the 99 Delta call option. And by the way, I define that in the video you're about to watch. It isn't buying a leaps. We're not buying a 6-month, 1-year, 2-year leaps. We're buying a 99 Delta call option, which is about 30 days until expiration. We're trying to simulate stock ownership because we don't want to pay that much in time value premium cost when we buy the call option. Now, this very first trade would have paid me $9.70 in premium. Now, of course, you know most of that is going to be intrinsic value. That's our downside protection. Stocks trading at 117.56. We're giving them away at 110. Right off the bat, $7.56 is intrinsic value. I make nothing. The call buyer makes nothing. That's just the cushion between where I got involved and where I'm giving them away. That is beautiful because that's downside protection. That's what I teach at the membership. It is a key element to becoming a successful trader. Hey, if you're going to try to generate cash flow in retirement, pay the bills, live the good life, you need to sell premium, right? Covered call, sell cash, secure puts. Take a look at all these trades I've done since May 7th. This is incredible right here. Since May 7th, I'm going to bring up an Excel spreadsheet. I want you to see this. I just throw these numbers in there. I want you to take a look at this. This is incredible. So these are all the trades. We're going to highlight all of these right here. Since May 7th, we've profited $37,675. And what you see here below are the current trades on the books. And when they expire, that's going to be $46,000. So we are literally using this to the tune of over 90 grand. And we're going to keep doing it. Let's take a look at some of my current trades before I send you over to him. Look at these current trades right here. The members got all of these. All of these trades right here, the members got. In the description below, get your 1 free month offer. I offer free content here on YouTube. Everything you see here is free. But if you want to join the membership, you get to see all the trades you're seeing here. And you see all the exclusive videos. 1 free month offer in the description. Would love to welcome you aboard. Take a look at all these right here. This right here equals $46,000. $8,000. Take a look at when these things expire. It isn't like we're talking years or months. Look at this. We have a lot of them expiring June 26th. We're starting to put on trades for next month, because what I'm here to tell you is this. Last month we made $114,000. Right now I'm on mark to make $108,000 in June. And it's largely because we can use less upfront capital using the 99 Delta call option in the money covered call. Because where usually you'd have to spend all the money to buy the shares or use all your money to do a cash secure put, I only buy the right but not the obligation to take somebody's shares, which usually means I'm spending about half you would. The 99 Delta call option trade is absolutely incredible for jacking up, amplifying my returns. I'm going to go ahead and turn it over to him. This is a member's question. We're using the in the money covered call calculator with the 99 Delta call option setup included. You get that as a member. And stick around for the trade that I did with Nail, the 3X leverage ETF to the home builders, and you'll get to see how much money that trade is projected to make. Hey, look, stick around. I know you're going to like this one. Hey, welcome back, everyone. I have a member's question I want to address. I'm going to use the current in-the-money covered call nail trade that I did today, because we're going to talk about the 99 Delta call option in-the-money calculator. Now, what does that mean? We're going to do an in-the-money covered call, and we're going to structure that trade by not buying the shares. We're going to buy a 99 Delta call option to support the trade. Okay, we understand that we're not using shares, we're using the 99 Delta call option. So this is a trade we're going to talk about, and he's asking about using the in the money calculator. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and dial that up, and these are going to be all the numbers. These are the numbers for which I did this trade. So everything you're about to see, I used my in-the-money calculator to do this. But we're going to take a look at your in-the-money covered call calculator. Now, what I want you to notice right off the very top, when you open up the in-the-money calculator, what I need you to do is click the word File. It's right there at the top, and I want you to make a copy. You make a copy. You do not save it. You make a copy. That gives you admin rights so you can edit all of these fields. So let's go ahead and take a look. This is the 99 Delta tab at the bottom. At the bottom, you have the standard in the money covered call calculator where you would buy the shares, plug in the numbers, and there's your trade setup. Well, in the case of the 99 Delta call option trade, we need to have two legs of the trade using two call options. So let's start off by clicking on the 99 Delta tab at the bottom. And this is what we're going to do. We're going to fill out the ticker you want to use. In my case, I'm going to pick NAIL. We're going to go ahead and put the current stock price, the in-the-money strike. Notice I'm going to give them away cheaper. This is an in-the-money covered call. Then I'm going to plug in the current premium for that strike. And then what we're going to do is plug in the shares and the expiration. This is going to tell us how much time value premium we're going to collect. Notice that we're collecting $5.30 in total premium. Well, because we're giving our shares away cheaper, that intrinsic value has to be calculated, but more importantly, it has to be pulled out so we can see what our profit is. And in this case, our profit's going to be $1.10 or 2.49% on money invested. Now let's continue. That is going to be on 1,500 shares, $1,650. That makes up the trade. Now, if I were to buy the shares, it's going to cost me $66,300 to buy the shares, then do this in the money strike. But because I'm using the 99 Delta call option, I'm going to spend considerably less. Now, there is 9.5% of downside protection, regardless of whether you buy the shares or use the 99 Delta call option. One thing before we get to that final part, buying the 99 Delta call option, one thing I always do, I always go to the expected stock move calculator. I plug in the expiration date and the at the money IV. The at the money IV is basically where it's trading, and it was 90%. That's going to give me the downside projected move and the upside projected move. Well, I'm not going to do an out of the money strike. I'm looking to do an in the money strike. So during the time frame, which is about 2 weeks here, the expected move could be as much as 15%. Now, we don't know if it's going to do that. We have no crystal ball, but I like looking at that. Notice I picked the 40 strike. Now, here's the deal with Nail. If Nail were to fall off from 44 down to 36, my cost basis is going to be 40. So if it were to fall all the way down to 36.82 and I have to keep these shares, I can easily do a 40 out of the money covered call for our second trade, generating a decent premium because this is a 3x leveraged ETF. The only way we can generate this kind of premium for such a deep in the money covered call is using a 3x leverage ETF to a sector. Now, you understand all this setup. This is if we were to buy the shares, and we pick that strike price based on how we feel with the expected stock move calculator. Now, let's talk about the 99 Delta call option that we're going to purchase. So remember, we're going to pick that 30-day out 99 Delta deep in the money call option. And in this case, it's going to be the 16 strike. That's the deepest in the money. We're going to pay $28.30. That's the price I'm going to have to pay to have the right but not the obligation to buy his shares at 16. Now, when you look at where it's trading at 44.20, check the combined total. The combined total, when you bring together the in the money strike and what I paid for it, basically Nail with the combined price is basically trading for 44.30. This is why we're able to do an in the money covered call using a call option, because I only have to make up 10 cents. Now, that is how this trade is set up. The 10 cents is going to be the time value cost that we pay the covered call writer. Remember, when we buy the 16 strike and we pay this person $28.30, well, I'm only paying him 10 cents in covered call premium. That's only 0.35%. That's actually nothing. I don't even know why the guy's doing it, but he's doing it. That's what we pay. And when we do this trade, notice the original, if I bought the shares in the money covered call premium, would have paid me $1.10. Well, because I'm going to deduct my 10 cents from the cost of the trade, I'm only going to make total time value profit of $1 or 3.53% or $1,500. Now, when we go back to the top, notice if I bought the shares, I'm only making 2.49% on cash invested. And I even make more money based on the money invested. But here's the deal. We're only investing $42,000 versus $66,000. See, that's the power of the 99 Delta call option, because we use less upfront capital to generate the same covered call premium. So, to answer the member's question, this is how you use the in the money calculator for the 99 Delta call option trade. I'll tell you what, this is a powerful tool, but the only way you can do this trade is if you know the numbers, and the numbers are right here laid out in front of you, so you can make the best decision with the best information you have. And before we get out of here, I want to highlight something. Notice that we have 9.5% of downside protection when we place this trade up here. Notice my cash on cash percentage gain is 3.53%. If I truly wanted even more downside protection, I could pick a strike price which is closer to what the expected stock move calculator said, which was 36.82, and this cash on cash for money invested could come down to about 2.49%. The strike we pick might be even 37. That means we have even more downside protection because nail would have to fall from where it's trading at 44.20 all the way down to 37. And real quick, looking at the chart, and this is what I said in the write-up, nail seems to have incredible support right here in and around 40 to 37. Boy, I'll tell you what, if you really wanted some good support, look at that support at 37.13. There is where you truly want to plant a flag. But because we can't get that much premium for a 37 strike unless you use the 99 delta call option in the money trade, we're going to go ahead and use the 40 strike. Again, if it were to fall to 37, I can easily get off a 40 strike. Hopefully, my second trade gets me out clean and green, meaning I'm able to buy back the near-term covered call and then sell my 99 delta call option. Hey, look, be safe, be healthy, most important, be lucky. Until next time, may all your covered calls be profitable.